What if I told you that there was a way that you could fix that feeling of being lonely every single time? That's what I'm going to teach you inside of this video. I have pretty much mastered doing this. I'm a 30-year-old guy in a wheelchair. I live in a 4-bedroom house by myself. I don't really have friends that I hang out with because I get invited to do less. I've had to learn how to fix feeling like lonely, and that's exactly what it is I'm going to share with you, so stick around. That feeling that we get, I have noticed it comes from when I don't talk to anybody, or whenever I'm like feeling bored. It's usually on like a Saturday or Sunday. If I'm sitting in the house, and I mean, like, I play video games at like nighttime, and even then I'm noticing, as I don't know if it's like I get older, but I'm like, I don't even enjoy playing them anymore. I get in bed and I open my laptop and I look at games that I want to play and I never play them, or I'll start like reading a book, or I'll go to bed. That being said, if I'm feeling like bored or like bored, not really lonely, because it's just bored, I'm not talking to anybody, or I'm bored, like I don't have any work to do, I don't have any work that I think I can do, or that I don't know what to do, my mind is like looking for ways to keep myself entertained. That's typically where that feeling comes from. I'm like, God damn it, man, I'm not doing anything right now and I want to do something. This is so important to understand. There's a quote that I keep throwing around in my videos: whatever you focus on expands. Well, if you're bored and you don't know what to do, you're gonna keep trying to find things maybe to do, but you're never actually gonna settle upon doing something. Your brain is going to keep looking for things to do, but you're never going to be able to like find something that you actually want to do, which means that your focus is not going to change onto something else. If you can fixate on something else and focus on something else, if you had somebody, like if I was texting a girl and then I wouldn't feel lonely. Let's say I had a date that day, I would just be like, okay, cool, well, you know what, I'm gonna hang out and do something until that date comes. I wouldn't feel lonely because I've got plans later that night. Where this typically comes from as well, and you might be able to relate to this whether you're a guy or a girl, when you're talking to somebody and they just disappear on you and you don't have a replacement because you have a scarcity mindset and you don't have a replacement, you don't, again, that's where that feeling of loneliness comes from. You're like, damn it, I had somebody I was talking to, I thought things were going well, and they just disappeared on me, and now I don't have anybody to talk to. And then that cycle is going to repeat. You're going to meet somebody new, get their number, hang out, talk, and then they disappear, and eventually one of them is going to stay. Okay, so how to fix it? Let's go right into that. This is very easy to do. It will take a little bit of effort because your brain is actually going to try and stop you from doing this. And that's the messed up thing about the mind, is it's gonna, like, if you're like lonely or bored, there's times where like I want to like, I know I want to leave the house, but I end up staying in the house. The first thing we need to do is, if we are inside of our house or our apartment and we're not doing anything, we need to go and do something. What I do is, because I have a dog, I'm in a wheelchair, I have a European long-haired German Shepherd, I'll take him with me, and I can go anywhere in public. I can go to the mall, I'll go to Target, I'll go to a restaurant, I might go to this place called Waterside near my house where there's other people. What we're doing here is, when we go to a place in public that we enjoy going, now since we're out in public and we're around other people, that feeling of loneliness just by leaving your house, it's not going to be there because we're looking at other individuals. Now, to even make this even better, when we're out and about, I would tell you what I do and what I teach people to do on how to become more confident and extroverted anyways, is when you go somewhere in person, tell yourself before you get out of your car, I am gonna say hi to at least one person. I didn't say conversation, I just said hi. It's just, hey man, how are you? Hey girls, ladies, hey, good morning, good afternoon, you know, whatever time of day it is. Because when you tell yourself you're gonna say hi to somebody, what are you doing? You're changing your focus. You're going to start looking for ways to say hi to people. And if you're not talking to anybody and that's why you're feeling lonely, guess what? Now you're going and talking to people. And all you're doing is saying hi. From my personal experience of doing this, most of the time you're not going to get into a conversation with this person, but that's not the point. The point is, you're not talking to anybody, you're bored and you're lonely in your house, you need to leave your house or your apartment, go somewhere, and if you just want to people watch, that's fine, then just go post up somewhere and people watch. But I'm telling you, the best way to fix this is by interacting with other human beings. Humans are designed to connect. We have, from generational histories, we've been social, like we've had social circles and tribes and nations and countries. Humans are designed to connect. So if you're by yourself, that's where that's going to come from. Yes, you can go out and people watch. You don't have to talk to people. But if you want to learn how to permanently fix this feeling, just people watching might not make that go away. Now, if like something crazy goes on and you start watching that, yeah, okay, it'll go away temporarily. And if you're out during the day and you get some sunlight, that's going to make you feel better because vitamin D works wonders on doing that. But if you just go and say hi to people, you're also teaching yourself that, hey, if I'm bored and I'm not talking to anybody and I'm lonely, all I got to do is leave the house, go somewhere that I like going. That could be wherever you want to go. And then when you get there, just do it to just say hi to one person. And if you do this every single time you feel lonely, you're gonna notice every time you go out, you might start saying hi to more and more and more people. And then what's gonna happen is naturally, if we just let the nature of saying hi to people or giving out compliments run its course, naturally you're going to end up talking to somebody or multiple bodies, and that could end up being a new acquaintance. Like you might just say hi and never see him again. You might make an acquaintance, like if it's at the gym. There's a couple guys at the gym that I say hi to every time I see him at the gym, and that's it. I don't talk to him outside of that. Or you could end up making a new friend. Like if you guys might find out during you guys our conversations that you guys both like doing the same thing. Let's go do it together, man. Cool. And then, or if it's a guy or a girl, maybe you end up getting their phone number and now you got a date planned. This is what I've done to fix this. The hardest part about doing this, because I told you your brain's going to stop you, is when you're in that depressed state of feeling lonely, you have no motivation to want to do anything. At least I don't. Maybe you can relate, but when I get that way, when I'm bored and I'm lonely, I'm like fucking miserable, man. I'm like, God, I start like running negative thoughts through my head, and negative thoughts is only going to put you deeper in that hole. So if you tell yourself, man, fuck, I'm going to go somewhere that I want to. The hardest part is just getting in your car or on your bike or walking wherever and just leaving the house. Once I get, and I'm in a wheelchair, so mind you, I'm also like, God, I don't want to get my wheelchair in the car. Not like it's hard, but I don't want to. Now, once I start getting in the car and I start driving, I'm like, man, why was that so difficult? And then when I head that direction, and I'm like, okay, cool, we're doing it. And when I get there, I end up having just a really good time. Even if I don't talk to anybody, like I said, because sometimes even I just people watch, depending on where I'm at. Maybe there's nobody around to talk to. Now, when that happens, I don't typically have like the greatest time, excuse me, I'm burping. I don't typically have the greatest time, but that like depressed state I was in, that's gone. That's no longer there. This is what I found to be the easiest way, because all we're doing is we're just doing what humans are designed to do. We're putting ourselves in an environment with other people. And then the better you get at talking to people, meeting people, giving out compliments, having conversations, which I teach you how to do on this channel. That's the whole point of why I film these videos, to teach you how to be as extroverted and confident like I am, how to develop better social skills. And I used to struggle with feeling lonely for the longest fucking time. Now, and again, I bring up the wheelchair again because a lot of people think that because I'm in a wheelchair, my life's gotta suck. Dude, it's fucking awesome. Why? Because I've learned how to do all this stuff. And it's gonna be difficult in the moment, but once you pick a location you want to go, even if you just get in the car and start driving, you'll find a place. You're like, you know what, let's just go here. There's a Walmart right there. Let's just go to Walmart and just walk around, whatever. Even then, man, that's like, I'll go to Target sometimes or the mall, and I'll literally just do laps around Target or the mall with the dog, and I'll just say hi to every single person that I pass by that I make eye contact to. Every single person that I make eye contact with. Hey, what's up? Hey, guys, hi. Hey, what's going on, man? Ladies, wow, you guys look phenomenal. Have a good day. I do that, and then sometimes you're like, oh, what a pretty dog. And I'm like, hey, you want to meet him real fast before I go? And then that usually, because they meet the dog, because he's very pretty, then I can say, hey, do you have any dogs yourself? And now I'm in a conversation. What's your name, by the way? That happened with me at Costco the other day. I was rolling around and looked at this girl. I was like, oh my God, I know this is random, but you are so pretty. She was like, oh, thank you. You have a really pretty dog. I said, here, why don't you meet him real fast before I head that direction? And we ended up being in like a 15-minute conversation. This works, guys. It's okay. Let me break it down by steps real fast. Step one, go somewhere in person. Step two, say hi to somebody. Step three, repeat step one and two. It's literally that simple. You will never, like, maybe I should say this. That feeling of being lonely, when that happens, if you're not talking to anybody, you're bored, I guarantee you this will fix it every single time. I have had to develop the ability to go and do this because it's you got to be able to, you got to force yourself to do it. A lot of people don't feel comfortable going out in public by themselves. I never used to. Now I can. I don't fucking care. I'll just take the dog with me as long as he goes poop beforehand, and then I'm going, man. And if he doesn't go poop, well then I'm gonna go somewhere by myself. Then if I want to, I could care less. I want you guys to do this. This, what you're gonna notice when this happens, dude. You're gonna become like much happier knowing that you just developed the ability to get rid of like that negative feeling of that feeling lonely is miserable. You know it is. You know it is. So if you just listen to what I'm telling you, you're gonna become a much happier person because you know that one of the biggest hurdles in life is that loneliness feeling, and it stops you from doing anything. You're not motivated. And like right now, before I film this video for you right now, I was in my kitchen eating and I was like, dude, I don't feel like doing anything right now. And I'm like, no, fuck it. I'm gonna go and film these videos because people like you like the fact that I help other people learn these stuff. That's why I'm talking to you, man. This works. If you like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, look, if you want my help becoming more extroverted, develop better social skills, have the ability to just talk to anybody, anywhere, any place, make more friends, get in more relationships, I can help you do that. I have an 8-week coaching program. The link is down below. You can work with me personally for 8 weeks. Book a free consultation call and let's see if I can even help you. And if you want to continue improving your social skills for free, check out one of these 2 videos right here. You're going to love those as well. Hey, I'll see you in the next one.